Hi, I'm Marna, and for July's long distance beginner crafters, we have put together a Barbie goes to the pool on 4th of July. And what we're going to do is glue or sew flowers to the little swimsuit. We're going to make her a towel, a fancy towel, and we're going to decorate shoes and make her sunglasses. These are bead hanks I got of seed beads, and they came from a garage sale. Got a great deal on them. And you're going to find some of these in your packet with clear shoes. And what we're going to do is we're going to glue some of these onto the Cinderella shoes. Now, I know some of you ladies are going to be like, oh, I don't want to glue to those shoes. They're too cute. And you can do that if you want, but I have an idea. In your craft packet, you have a pair of Barbie glasses and a piece of aluminum foil. And what we're going to do is make sunglasses. And the first thing you need to do is take an ink pen, probably a pencil would work too, and line that up. Now I gave you enough to make, you could make a mistake. So what we're going to do is draw an outline of the glasses around on that aluminum foil. Then you cut that out, and we are going to, after we have the glitter applied to the glasses, we will put the aluminum foil inside. Once you cut it out, it'll be a little bit too large to fit down into the inside. And what you need to do is trim around your edges all the way around, just a little bit. And if you need to do a little bit more, then do a little bit more. Don't glue until you make sure it fits. Okay, we have several things to glue. Now, if you wanted to, you could sew your flowers over that patch, or you could just leave it. I prefer to glue these today to that patch, and I'm going to pull this taut. I have my glue gun, hot glue gun, and I'm going to stretch the fabric as I press this down. I'm going to press the petals open a little bit. I'm leaving the stem for right now. I might cut that off. We'll see. Now I'm going to set that aside till it's dry or hard. And when we started gluing, I was going to tell you, do all of your glue crafts at once. And I have this little container that I'm going to put some white glue down in. Not a lot, because this is Barbie. You don't need a lot. We're going to do some shoes and glasses for the beach. And I was going to show you that there are several ways that you can do the sunglasses. One is, oh my, that's quite a glop. If you have a glue gun that has the glitter glue, you can put that right around, put it on thick because it shrinks as it dries, or as Darren says, hardens. And I'm going to put that down each side, but not by the ear, behind the ear. I don't want it in her hair. And then I'm just going to set that to dry. Another way you can do this is with the glitter tube. Now, I don't know if this is, I got this from a garage sale, and I'm not positive. Well, I might as well do it there next to the other glob. If it's, yep, it works. Well, isn't that cool? I put down a shiny kind of paper. You could get an ad out of a newspaper or a magazine or whatever. Okay, so back to this. Same thing. You just put the glue on thick. Now this takes a lot longer to dry than the other glue. And you want that thick because it will shrink. And then Barbie's all fancy for the parade, the 4th of July parade. Everybody loves 4th of July parade. It's just an exciting summer thing. And get that on there all the way up. Now, like I said, this needs to dry. I got a kind of a glop there, so I'm kind of trying to fix it because we're making sunglasses today. Oh, that glue's kind of runny, but you get the idea. Let's see. Oh, that is runny. We'll see. That came from a garage sale, so it was used. The other thing we could do is I sent paintbrushes and a little glitter bag. Now, there's enough glitter in there. Glitter goes a long way. Now, we are going to try to paint our glasses with white glue, Elmer's glue, craft glue, any kind of glue. And I'm painting it where I want the glitter to stay. I'm not going to take that glitter past here. And the reason is I don't want it in her hair. Glitter kind of goes on forever. You don't want to open your packet till you're absolutely ready because, like I said, glitter goes everywhere. Putting that across the top. And it just seems to, you just keep finding glitter. I'm going to have it on my counter from making the packets. Okay, and then carefully set my paintbrush down. I'm going to put these into the glitter, if I can reach. And then I'm going to shake that around so that that red, white, and blue glitter that I mixed is all over those glasses. Isn't that cute? Now, you can, if you want to, and I always do it over a napkin. It kind of catches it. Pour a little over your glasses to fill in those areas thick because, again, your glue will shrink as it dries. But if you do it over a napkin, it kind of catches your glitter. Now, there will be glitter left. Maybe enough to do part of your shoe. Like, I don't know if you can see that bow, it's clear. But if you just painted the bow and then put the glitter on that, that would work. But what I had in mind was something else. I sent red, white, and blue beads. They're seed beads. And I thought it would be cute to decorate the front of this shoe with the glue. And count your beads because I did not. I'm going to try tweezers. No, I'm not. And I'm just going to stick them on here. You can, I'm doing it kind of random. You can count them out and make flowers or clovers or anything else. But that's all I'm going to do. And these will be cute every 4th of July, Flag Day, Memorial Day, or any time of year. Now, I'm going to do one like that. And then I'm going to do the other like that. And like I said, I am just randomly sticking these on. Now, if your fingers, if you're younger, and I know some of you are, if you have more nimble fingers, then you can make a beautiful pattern. Mine are like bear paws anymore. And I'm just not that clever. I can come up with ideas, but putting them together sometimes doesn't always work for me. That's a lot more beads on that one. So I'm going to pull some off. And there are Barbie's shoes. Let's see. Wait a minute. Whoop. Okay. Then I was going to show you, oh, that is not nice. That just did not come out. Okay, like I said, you could carefully, which I am not, gently, which I am not, put that on the bow. Working, there should be leftover glitter from your glasses. I sent quite a bit. Glitter goes so far. Let's see if we can get that. Oh, I'm such a mess with this stuff. I just don't have the dexterity anymore that I used to have. I'm going to pour a little out and try this the opposite direction. And there we go. I can do that. Now to work on a napkin, you could do each of your shoes like that. You could do the whole shoe. That's a Barbie thing. For these Barbie shoes, if you choose, you can also take a glue pen or a glitter glue pen and put that over that bow and glop it on there pretty good, because again it shrinks. Now you don't want a ton on there like I probably have, but and that will dry into a little pink glitter bow. Okay, after you've glittered your glasses and the glitter has dried, what we're going to do is we're going to glue the aluminum foil inside the glasses with the shiny side coming out. And we're going to use a very small amount of glue, the white glue, and we're going to put that on the inside around, all around these glasses. And you want a good amount, but you don't want a sloppy amount. And you're only doing the back side, not along the edges. And just put that in real good. Be careful with your glue. Oh, I started to put that in. And then again, shiny side away. You put these in. Now, it's going to take some lining up, and you'll have to readjust it as you go, especially me, I have bare paws. And line that up, and then let that sit to dry. And that's what you'll have. Oh, I got a little glue right there. It'll dry, but it won't be as shiny. If you have a little bit extra, tuck it up. I thought it'd be cute to put some glitter on this for my 36 to 38 inch Barbies. And I got these at a garage sale. And I'm just going to put that right there on that bow. And that's all I'm going to do. But you could do all kinds of little decorations and up the side. I don't like to get the glitter in their hair, but let that dry and that's going to be cute. Barbie's going to need a beach towel. And what I did is I took washcloths and I cut them in half. And I'm going to fold this over and round the corner of the part that was cut, as well as even it out. And then I'm going to cut off the tag, although you don't have to do that. Barbie likes new things with tags left on them. And then we're going to take this lace and we're going to sew it all the way around this towel, because Barbie needs a towel for the beach, and because it's Barbie, we're going to sew this lace all the way around, starting at the bottom where her feet would be as she lays on it at the beach. We're going to sew this down all the way around. I'm using Needle and thread, you can use your sewing machine if you like. When you get all the way around, oh, I hope these scissors work, cut a little extra, tuck that under, take a couple stitches. I'm using white thread, so I've gone kind of beneath the lace, but now I need to catch it up top so that it lays flat. So I'm coming up in that, and I'm just finishing that, and I'm going to go over that a couple times, and then see, I'm kind of tucking that in, and then I'm going to get to the end of the lace, and I'm going to, with short stitches on top and longer stitches underneath, I'm just stitching that lace together, and then I'm going to tie that off, and after I tie that off, I'm going to take the piece of ribbon that was in the packet, tie a little bow, make a big bow, make it smaller, and I'm just going to stitch that down right at the head. Barbie's head will be here, the little bow will be here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching our craft video, please leave a like and subscribe.